Mercy Apostle Martin, the voice of Oluku Giant Striker. We are here to cover and appreciate the good work our brother Stevenson is doing in this community by providing good road network here. He's a good man. God will bless him. God will also bless our Igwe for providing enabling environment for our people to come back home. This road started from our entrance of Umeji House down to the Pentecostal Church to connect late Chief Mbajekwe's house, Papa Stevenson, down to the back of Emeka Mbegu's house, Abaka, and bus out to Obi Obedike Palace. Also connecting from the right to Agunwa's house and join St. Thomas Anglican Church, Amwezi Road. We appreciate the family of Agunwa for their understanding in allowing the contractor to put down their fence, shorten it, and make a new fence for them. It shows that they love Oluku, they love this road project we're doing. May God bless this family and other families that their land were taken. Ina yana fence ya afuna akuturu akutu.
Ụzọ ka na-arụ ha chọrọ ka ha were kwuo were aka ha shift wee.
Ka ikuru si nabatakwana ha.
Emegoro m ihe m ga-eme asị mmadụ. Kana mụnwa bụ ajadu. Ya lụgharị ya mana ha lụtasịghị otu m chọrọ.
Obi dị anyị mma. Thank you.
Mana lose akwatu fence ya. Bendibe Joseph Obika.
My name is Engineer Ford Morgan Ikechukwu. Pibron Constructions Limited. The project is internal road in the Ruoma exactly done by Steve Mbajekwe Stevenson. It should be about 800 meters. Connecting the three major roads goes from Abatete. This one is connecting that one. This one is connecting Ameze. So it's like a wide road. The work is moving accordingly. We're almost done with the drainage work. About 5 culverts. I think we've done 3. We'll do 2 once we do the asphalt, because if you do it now, you cannot access the road anymore. That's the major entrance. Some people agreed that their fence was pulled down, but we actually erected all the fence that we pulled down because we are doing it to get the width of the road. Things like this, your personal interest will not override the public interest, and we are still going to pull down some more to get it done. We were pulling down the fence, erecting. The client is paying for all of them. The funding is moving accordingly. We are well mobilized. Beginning of October to round it up. The OB is giving me a lot of support. Most of the villagers are giving me free support, and they're happy with the work Stevenson is doing. I want to thank the community for providing every necessary support. The Igwe, he has been very supportive. Drain runs down from here, and another one comes from here. They meet at this point, collects the water, moves to this point, this is the catchment pit, and it flows down from here and connects the other drain from the other side.
If Steven Mbajekwe, known as Stevenson, is a very great son of Shanaoku. I've inspected that road. I've even called him to appreciate. We're very happy with him. Our prayer is that God will continue to bless him. The more you give to people, the more God gives to you.
Ihe mebụrụ ụzọ ọ na-arụ amaka. Ụzọ ọ na-arụ gara n'irube nna m. Ndị aṅụrị karịrị m ahụ mgbe m nụrụ ọ na-achịrụ ya bụ ụzọ. Mgbe o bidobeghị ya ebido, mkpọ ya na fon maka ya bụ ụzọ. Ugbu anya jisi ike.
From our findings, the work is going well. The contractor handling the project is well mobilized. Ihe ọma abatago ọrụ ukwu, obodo ukwu, ọrụ ukwu, obodo ọma, ọrụ ukwu, obodo ndị eze. Ọ ka bụkwa onye olu ma ọfụma, Mercy Apostle Martin, the voice of Oluku Giant Striker.